Take a trip with us to Miami, Florida to ride the Polar Express train ride. I had a couple of setups around the room where you can take photos by yourself or with family. This is where you check in and pick up your tickets that you've ordered online. After picking up our tickets, we decided to walk around and view the different setups that they have for photos. Keep in mind, this is a real train station, so they also had a couple of restaurants to eat in, as well as places where you could literally go. I decided to record some more little setups. They have places where adults can purchase drinks. You can purchase memorabilia as well. After checking out all the little setups, we decided to go ahead and get on the escalator so we can go ahead and get ready for the train ride. At the very top, I didn't get footage, but there is another setup where you're able to take family photos with a photographer. And here you can still see, again, merchandise, memorabilia, and there were a lot of families, especially in pajamas. This thing was packed. Now, once we got upstairs, I just wanted to get another view so you can see how many people were upstairs as well. Literally, this thing was packed. I can't reiterate that enough.
Attention here, please. My name is Shayla. Myself and my fellow stewards are very excited. High in the air, please. High in the air. Isn't that beautiful? Now, just one more order of business. Just one question that you all have to answer right now. Out loud, from your heart. Are you ready?
Down to the nitty gritty. Now, I paid $75 for myself, $65 for my 7-year-old, and my 1-year-old was free. The total was $160 because they charged a ticket fee as well as a sales fee. I thought that was a little pricey, but for 3 people, I mean, it's all right. They also let you know that they will not accept late passengers. So if you're late, just turn around. So here we are entering our car, and we met the sweetest young lady. You can absolutely tell she loves her job. Literally the sweetest.
The Polar Express.
They kind of start to get the kids riled up by punching stars in their tickets, and then the show begins.
We got it. Hey, we got it. Say we got it. Say we got it. Here we only got one. Ooh, we got it. Hey, we got it. Say we got it. Ooh, we got it. Hey, we got it.
After that little song and dance in those black trays, it's hot chocolate. It's the perfect size. It wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold. Literally perfect for my 1-year-old to drink immediately. And it was delicious. They also administered cookies, which was a nice little touch.
I lay quietly in my bed. I did not rustle the sheets. I breathed slowly and silently. I was listening for a sound.
After reading the book, they allow all participants to take a moment of silence so we can enjoy the beautiful northern lights, and what a beauty. They did a good job with this.
The question, do you believe in something, even when it seems to be lost?
I believe. I believe.
Let's put that to the...
I hear I believe.
And surprise, surprise, look who comes out. Santa Claus himself. The kids were so excited.
I see. Is this the bell?
Yes, sir.
Well then, there's but one thing to do.
And Santa closes out the show by giving the kids all jingle bells to take home as souvenirs. Overall, definitely rate this experience a 10 out of 10. My kids loved it. I loved it. It's a very cute idea. Whoever thought of this, kudos to you. Highly recommend. Subscribe and comment for more content.